Archbishop, we have come here to honor you and appreciate you for distinguished service of 50 years to the Almighty God and the Church of Christ. We want to say congratulations. You have done very well. And we have listened to your history as a teacher, and you are very committed service to the Church of Christ. And we want to say asante na pongezi. Again, we want to celebrate you for your leadership and pragmatism in being a true leader and a mature leader, to call it a day when the time comes. That is leadership, is maturity, is pragmatism, to accept that the body is one. And just like a car, the mileage goes, and it reaches a time, you call it a day, you step back, you mentor other people, and you allow other people the opportunity to lead. Now, Archbishop, you have told your colleagues, Archbishop Wangombe, Archbishop Mudhuri, that when their time comes, they should also go the same way. It's a good challenge. You are not just challenging the archbishops, you are also challenging us and the leaders here. When our time comes and we have done our bit as per the contract we have with the people, we also must be prepared to go and rest and allow other people an opportunity to lead. And nobody knows everything. And you can only lead for a time, according to the Constitution and according to your own conscience. That is why most of us, especially from this region, we continue getting very embarrassed by our leader, whom we respect, whom we supported, by not doing the right thing. We continue to urge him to consider following what the Archbishop has done, following what other leaders did, and take a break and go and rest and allow other people an opportunity, because it's the right thing to do. We get very embarrassed as a people, as a region, when our leader is subjected to embarrassment and humiliation. We want to dignify that office because it's a high office. So when we see our leader with goons and such other people around him, we feel very bad as a people. And for the people of this region, we want to continue praying for our leader so that God can touch him to apply wisdom and dignify that very high office that he held by doing the right thing. Archbishop Njoroge, we want to thank you for the work you have done for the last 7 years with the other two archbishops to unite the independent church. This church is very important to us, especially the people of this region.